Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up a fitted sheet for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. It shall be interesting, I'm sure. It's definitely freezing out here. Very overcast. Looks like we might get some weather, but hey, we're gonna get her done. Get it dyed up. Anyone worried about the sodium carbonate falling on the ground? It is all natural, so it is a natural thing. This is a queen fitted sheet, so it's very large. We're not actually going to dead center the spiral, so you're just going to pick what looks like about the middle and start twisting. This is going to go on our personal bed set at home, so this one won't be for sale. But we do plan to make many more in the future.
We're working right now to make a custom listing for these bed sheets, so you can tell us like what size sheets, what colors you want.
Yeah, because we're not going to pre-dye them and put them on the website like we do t-shirts. They will be made to order if anyone does want one.
And we've never done a listing for custom
sheet sets
or anything. So to do those, you have to list options. We're just trying to figure out how to do it, pretty much. And make sure all of our options are right. And
we'll get it figured out.
Yes, we always do. I have a listing started in there, and I just haven't figured out how to do it.
We still have a few more things we got to list on there. We got a good bit of shirts listed on there, all of our popular offerings. So make sure to look through that.
A bunch of stuff.
And the shirt's picture is the shirt you receive. It's not like we make another one of it. That is the shirt. So.
That's the one.
And I saw someone asking about shipping to another country, and for some reason it wouldn't let me respond to your comment, but yes, we will ship to Indonesia.
It's a big pie.
A big pie. The fitted looked kind of like a curling stone. I don't know what this one looks like.
Big pizza.
Big pizza. So we have bubble gum.
This is bubble gum, and then orange
sorbet.
Yep.
Very nice.
Remind me to order more lime pop.
I will. Are we out of powder dye?
Yes. Almost.
I knew we had to be getting close. Lime pop looks really cool when you mix it too, because the powder is actually yellow. Like bright yellow. And then when you mix the water in with it, it turns turns lime green. It's really cool.
I tried something new today when I mixed these dyes. I tried to mix some soda ash in
with the color.
Yeah.
How much did you put in each one?
2 teaspoons.
Well, that's not much.
Yeah, just a hair, because I wasn't sure exactly how that was supposed to go.
Yeah. And I mean, we do, we pre-soak them in sodium carbonate, and then when we wash them out, after we wash them out, we throw them in the washer. That stuff we're putting on there, that laundry booster, the Arm & Hammer, it's essentially just sodium carbonate. I'm pretty sure. I'm not 100% positive on that, but I know it is like 90-something% sodium carbonate. So it's practically just sodium carbonate. maybe it might just be sodium carbonate. I'm not 100% sure on that. I probably should check. But I know it's 100% natural, so that leads me to believe that it's probably just sodium carbonate. So we definitely, you know, we wash them in sodium carbonate. We soak it before we dye it in sodium carbonate and soda ash. But a lot of people like to put it in their dye, so we've always wanted to try that.
And a lot of the professional people I watch, they all do that.
Yeah.
I've always seen that recommended. They've always said, yeah, I always do that.
Yeah, I mean, it can't hurt, so.
I forgot the reasoning why they do that.
Well,
I guess
mean,
maybe just
it is the fixative, so.
You know, I guess maybe just to go ahead and have it in there.
Right.
But they still soak their shirt, so I don't know.
Well, yeah, because you're not going to get enough of it that way, you know. In case y'all are wondering, too, and we probably don't say this enough, but we assume people probably watch a few of our videos, they know. But the sodium carbonate, the soda ash, is the fixer for the dye. It's what makes the dye stay in when you wash it out. That way you can wash it in the future after you've washed it, you know, with the sodium carbonate, and the color will not wash out at all. Like, we've literally washed a load of whites with one of these tie-dyes before, and nothing comes off of them.
Okay.
To the drum? Oh, yeah, that's right, to the flip. I forget, this thing's huge. Yeah, our rack's kind of our homemade fridge racks. We had to expand the dyeing surface for this one a little bit.
I just wanted plenty of room to work.
Yeah, I don't blame you. If we start doing a whole lot of these sheet sets, we have a large folding table we're gonna start using to fold them up on, maybe, or something.
We just didn't want to break it out.
Yeah, or pull the umbrella out of our table just to do this one sheet set. Not when it's going on our own bed, and it doesn't matter. So.
This is sort of an experiment, anyway.
Yeah, this is mostly just want to make sure that we get enough dye on it to get the proper penetration into the middle of it and stuff like that, because although in the past we've never had issues on anything when dyeing larger items, we've had issues on larger shirts before when doing certain patterns, so we just wanted to make sure they're going to turn out good, because the largest sheet set we've ever dyed, I think, was a full or a twin, something like that. And I know we've got some crib sheets, on Etsy, so one. Did we sell the other one? Well, we used the other one, that's right. The other one we put on our bed. And it's definitely the coolest looking one, too. It had one little tiny blemish in it, and that's what she used to justify us keeping it. And I mean, it's a spot you would never even, place it.
It was part of the color, too. I didn't like the way the color turned out. So.
Yeah.
But all I gotta do was buy another set.
Yeah.
And do more crib sheets.
It looks awesome. If I showed it to y'all would think it's just incredible. Because I was super impressed when we unfolded it. I didn't expect it to come out near as good as it did. And the last one we did turned out really good. The Pink Sunshine one came out really, really good.
That's the one that's on there.
Yeah, on Etsy. And we're getting still have sweatpants. Should be here any day. We're looking into getting some hoodies and sweatshirts.
I was never able to find.
No, I did. I got sweatpants.
Okay.
Sweatpants are on the way.
Okay.
But we do need to find hoodies and sweatshirts. I think they have those through our normal supplier. I'm not sure. I mean, they might not right now because they're, of course, facing some supply line issues. But as soon as we can get our hands on some, we'll be dyeing those too.
Okay.
To the drying rack?
My hand hurts after that one.
I bet so. You've been squeezing on that thing for a minute.
Okay.
Top shelf for a premium tie-dye, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.